What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to take you through a case study showing you exactly how I made $35,000 profit in the last 60 days. And make sure you stay to the end because I'm actually going to take you through a tutorial to show you exactly how you can do this yourself online. So on the screen here, guys, you can see some results, and I've actually calculated up what I earned in those 60 days, but I did minus $10,000 because some of the earnings was actually from running ads. So I did minus what I made from ads. The rest of the earnings, the $35,000 profit, was made from completely free traffic. And that's why it's profit, guys, because I spent nothing on ads and nothing on products. Over here you can see $22,000 in 60 days. Over here we have $11,000 a month, which is usually what I get with this particular program, but I did minus 10,000 because I did make some with paid ads. And then down here in 60 days, I did 2,200 on one month. And then on the other month, I did about 1,300, and it all added up to around about 35,000, give or take a couple of $100s. So guys, what I'm doing is I'm getting this money from three particular products. And this case study is very important because not only am I going to show you how I did this, this is going to help you understand how to make income online. And it's also going to help you do it yourself. I'm going to take you through, this is pretty much a tutorial on how you can do this yourself. And the best part about this, guys, this stuff is completely passive income. And what that means is eventually it becomes passive and you do less and less work for more in return. So you put in a bit of work now and it becomes more rewarding later on and more passive. So if you like passive income and you want to know how to make passive income, make sure you smash that like button, guys, because this is going to be one of the best videos you've ever seen on how passive income works and how you can actually make money online with passive income. So how does this work? How do I get the money and all that sort of good stuff? This is what you're here for. So I get an average of $40 per sign up on this particular product on the left, which we're going to talk about in a second. On this one here, I get a 40% monthly recurring income. Now, if that doesn't make sense to you, don't worry. It'll start to make sense as the video goes on. Down the bottom here, 33% monthly recurring income from these particular products. Okay, and it becomes passive over time. So what does this mean though, and how does this work? So first of all, let's talk about the average $40 per sign up. This particular product, guys, I get an average of, I usually get around $30, $40, $50 per sign up, right? But that's it. I don't get any recurring commissions. That's the only money I get, one-off payment. But how do I actually get that money? Well, what I do to get money for this particular program, guys, is I send people to a platform called Shopify, where people sign up and they run an e-commerce store, and I get a commission from people if they stick. So first of all, they get on the trial. If they stay to the trial and they end up becoming a paying customer, I usually get around about $40 per person who does that. The next one, guys, is the top one, 40% monthly recurring commissions. This is a better one because it's recurring. However, it doesn't convert as well as the Shopify one. So what this one does, guys, is it's a program where people create sales funnels. And what they do is they go and create funnels, webinar funnels, membership pages, landing pages, and stuff like that. And as long as they're using this platform, I get a 40% commission of $97. So I get $38.80 every single month per person who uses this particular product, who clicked on my link and used the program via me as a referral. Now, the next one, guys, is the 33% commission. This one down here is another one of my favorites. This one here is a email marketing program that I recommend to people. So you're kind of noticing a pattern here. I recommend things that people use and need and use for a long time, especially the recurring stuff, because I get money forever as long as they're on that particular program. So this one is an email marketing platform where people want to create email marketing lists, send email newsletters to their followers and stuff like that. I go and send people to a program called Get Response. If they get a 30-day trial. If they stick on the trial, then I get 33% of whatever they pay every single month. Now, how it works, guys, is essentially we send people to a link, that's our affiliate link, and they click on that link, and then they go and sign up to whatever thing we recommend to them, and then we get our commission. It could be a one-off payment commission, or it could be a recurring commission, which goes on and on for as long as those people are using that platform. But that's all it is. It's very simple. Traffic to a link that tracks you, and then if they purchase anything after that link, then you get a commission and you make money. And this is called affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is everywhere. It's more common than you think. A great example is a website called Trivago, where people book hotel. Now, Trivago makes around about 1.2 billion per year, and their main revenue stream is from affiliate marketing. So Trivago is just a website or an app. They don't own any of the hotels or anything like that. They make a commission when someone actually purchases a hotel through their website. So they are doing affiliate marketing, and they're making over $1.2 billion per year. Now, before we actually jump into how this all works, it's really important to understand what type of products produce the best results and the long-term results that become passive income. So this is kind of the first step, is choosing what to promote. Where should you be sending people to sign up so you get a commission? So when I go and choose a product to promote, I usually think of long-term passive income. So products people use to run their business. If you promote products like funnel builders, email marketing software, these are programs that people are going to use to run their online business. So the chances of them using this product for months or even years is very high. So the best products to promote are ones that people actually use in their online business. And most of the time, those are called SaaS companies. So software as a service. Now, the product has to have good commissions. You don't want to promote products where you get 4%, 5% commissions. You want to get at least 30% or more. The good thing about these types of programs is they're usually 30% or more, most of them, and some of them are more than 50%. And you also want a product that has recurring commissions. This isn't really a must, but the best thing about it is you get money for a long time, and they have what we call long retention. This is what that means. So I started promoting GetResponse back in 2015. And I was making $9 per month. So that's the line, around about $9 per month. This was actually off one person that I signed up, a friend of mine. And then $9 per month, it went up to 30, it went up to 100 per month in 2016. Then it went back down, up, down, and then, a little bit steady, right? And then the next year, which was be 2017, it was kind of up, down, steady, steady, steady. And basically what I did is way back in 2015, I just promoted it to a few people, and they stayed on the GetResponse platform for that many years. And then in 2018, I started promoting again, and you can see it's gone up and it's gone up again. But that's the beauty of recurring products, guys, because people stay on for a really long time and the money becomes really passive. Now, what I use to get traffic to these particular products, guys, is what we call organic traffic. So Google search traffic. There's over 5 billion searches per day on Google. So you really want to be jumping on that, guys, because there's so many people online looking for things every single day, constantly searching in Google, and you can get a piece of that pie. So this is how it works, okay? This is how I went out and got the traffic to these products and made over $35,000 in commission. What I do is I create blog posts based on specific products. So for example, there's one here where I compare ClickFunnels and GetResponse. And when people go and put into Google ClickFunnels versus GetResponse, and yes, people actually do search this, quite a lot of people, I show up at the top here, and although you don't have to show up at the top, but I show up at the top, and I also show up right here. People click through to my website, and they read the article, and then they click on the links, and these are the affiliate links, and they go and they might purchase the product. It could be ClickFunnels, or it could be GetResponse email marketing software. But that's what I'm doing. I'm going and capturing all these thousands of searches, billions of searches per day. And I'm catching, a little bit of that, a little tiny piece of the pie, and I'm sending them to my articles, and they are going and clicking through. And the best thing about this traffic, guys, is it's people that are already searching for these products. So they convert extremely well. Now, here's another example of an article that I did based on dropshipping and e-commerce, right? And when someone clicks this tiny link down here, they go to Shopify and they get a 14-day free trial. If they stick to the trial, I make an average of around about $40 per person. So that's another way that I go out and get traffic. Now, another one down here is actually another blog article that I did. And to kind of like show you actually the article here, so you know that I'm for real, this is one of the articles that I did on my blog here, where I compare the two products. And then you go down, you can see this is my name. This is actually my blog. I have lots of blogs, guys, well over 10 blogs, because I like to build passive income assets. And people click on these links, guys, and they go through to GetResponse or the email marketing that I'm promoting, or that I'm recommending, I should say. And if they sign up, then I get a commission. Okay. This one here is a article just on ClickFunnels, and when they click this link, claim your 14-day trial, they go through to here to ClickFunnels. They have their own website, and then they sign up, and I once again get a commission, 40% per month, if they stay on to the trial and actually spend money. And that, guys, is how I actually make the money, is by getting Google traffic to these blogs and converting them into converting customers. Now let's go back to the products for a second. We came to the conclusion that the best way to do this is to promote products that have a recurring commission. And you can get money every single month of your life if that person stays on forever. Now the average retention rate is around about 6 months. So people usually stay on for around about 6 months. But the thing is, guys, once you actually pick the product, there's some more steps you need to do. You need to, trust me, guys, if you watch this all the way to the end, you'll understand affiliate marketing a lot better. I'm a professional. I do this every single day. But this is the key. So you've found a product. You might promote GetResponse, ClickFunnels, a web hosting service or something like that. We're not talking about Amazon or anything in this video. They got really low commissions. But you need to align the product and the niche. So for example, if you're going to go and promote GetResponse, which is an email marketing platform, then you would want to do articles based on email marketing and have a website based on email marketing. If you're going to promote ClickFunnels, then you want to have a website based on building funnel. Now, you don't have to go and do a website based on email marketing specifically or building funnels. You can do a website based on internet marketing, digital marketing, marketing funnels, email marketing, and you can combine the two. So on this particular article here, guys, the one that I just showed you before, this website is based on digital marketing. So, I do articles on GetResponse, ClickFunnels, other landing page creators, web hosting, Shopify, all sorts of stuff, because it's about a broad niche, making money online, digital marketing. But you need to really align things, because what people do is they'll go and promote GetResponse, and they will just do a website based on GetResponse, and they limit themselves. You need to really go broad and align the product with the niche. Like, for example, you wouldn't do articles about make money online courses and GetResponse on the same website, because they're two completely different things, right? They just don't fall in the same niche. And another example would be Shopify is an e-commerce platform. So you would do a website based on e-commerce or dropshipping. And the same with Bluehost. Bluehost is a web hosting service where you can get a commission. I promote this quite often. And you would do a website based on website tutorials, how to create a website and stuff like that, because that's what the niche is based on. But a lot of people don't really realize that, and they don't understand how it works. Now, what I want to actually do is get into teaching you how I do this, okay? And you can kind of go and replicate this. Don't copy, but replicate, model what I do, and you'll get success. So it's really simple, guys. What I do next, and this is what you should do next, is start a website based on a specific niche, okay? So let's take email marketing, for example. We want to build a website based on email marketing, well, at least some of it. And what I mean by that is we might create a website based on digital marketing, and we might have a category on our website based on email marketing. Now that category will have articles based just on email marketing, and we'll talk about things to do with email marketing. And this is how I find topics, right? So this is the biggest problem people have. They're like, what do I write about? What kind of topics do I even do? This is exactly what I do right here. I use a website called Answer the Public. Okay, it's free, I think, but they do have a paid version, but the free version is fine. And what you do is you go to this website, and I just put in email marketing, and it spits out literally thousands of content ideas. So article ideas. So for example, is email marketing dead? That's an article right there. That's one article. Does email marketing work? That's 2 articles. Is email marketing effective? 3 articles. Is email marketing important? 4 articles. What do we got here? Will email marketing die? That's the same as before. Which email marketing software is the best? There you go. That's a nice big authority article. You can do an article on which email marketing software is the best, and you can list the 5 top email marketing platforms. GetResponse, ActiveCampaign is another one, and you can get affiliate commissions for every single one of those, because all of those have affiliate networks. And guys, this is only one of the wheels. When you go to answerthepublic.com and you put in the keyword email marketing, it's got like 5 of these wheels, and it's got a whole bunch of stuff. There's just so many options you can go with. We've got what is email marketing strategy. So we can do what is the best email marketing strategy. We can add more words in there. Another good one here is where to start email marketing. Now that will be a good topic, because where to start email marketing, the people that are searching that are looking to start email marketing. So you give them a tutorial on how to start email marketing, and then suggest GetResponse or another email marketing platform at the end. Then you're going to get people getting on your link because they are ready to actually start doing email marketing. So guys, you literally have so many topic ideas, and this is exactly how I go and get my topic ideas. And here's the proof that this stuff works, guys. This is one of my new websites that's ranking first, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I have hundreds of keywords ranking. I'm talking hundreds, if not thousands of keywords ranking and getting me traffic every single day and creating passive income. And I'm doing it by creating these blog posts. Now, the blog posts don't have to be fancy, guys. I've just spent a lot of time on mine. They don't have to have nice buttons and ticks and stuff like that, check marks. They don't have to be nice. In fact, some of the ugliest articles convert the best. Don't know why, they just do. But this is me tracking my keywords, and you can see that I'm ranking for a lot of keywords. So the next step, guys, and this is very important, we'll talk about it in a second, but essentially what I'm doing is going out and creating these blogs and articles to create passive income and basically go out. Now, I'm not saying the $35,000 was made in 60 days from zero to $35,000. You do need to put in some work, and then eventually a couple of months later, the money starts to roll in, okay? But this is completely passive profit in 60 days, or halve it, $15,000 in 30 days, by having these blogs and posts online and sending people to these particular softwares where I get a commission. So what's the next step? The next step is to build a website with 10 plus articles, optimize your articles based on keywords. Once this is done, slowly build it out with more articles. This is the key, okay? Because what people do is I go and do 1 or 2 articles, Franklin's doesn't work, you suck, your methods don't work. What you want to do is build out a website with heaps of articles so it builds what we call relevancy. We want Google to see us as the relevant website. Creating lots of content is going to do 2 things. It's going to create, the more related content we have, the more relevant your website becomes. And over time, other websites will link back to you. This is important. So what's going to happen is the more content you have out there, the more other websites are going to find it, and they're going to link back to you because they need resources in their own articles. And then that's how you create natural backlinks. You need to understand that the goal is to provide value to people, but also provide value to Google. You want Google to know what your website is about so it can show it to the right relevant people. If Google doesn't know what it's about, then how is it supposed to suggest your content to people that are searching for specific keywords? Okay, so create relevancy and all that sort of stuff. Now, this is building passive income assets at its finest. So this is a new website that I created just over a year ago, right? And you'll see it was really slow here. I got a little bit of traffic, and then it boosted up really fast, and it's going up. Like, look at these keywords, just skyrocketing. In the first year, I did like 3 or 4 articles and I got lazy and I couldn't be bothered. Over here in March, I hired a writer and he was doing 2 or 3 articles a day. Now we're at 50 articles. And look at this. It's just going up and up and up and up and up. It's so important, guys, just to keep going. And look at this. It's going, and that's only 50 articles. We plan to get this to 1,000 plus. This website will be making millions of dollars one day. And it usually happens, so you'll see here that we did it in March and we started to get heaps of traffic in May. So March, April, May, that's only around about 3 months and we started to get heaps of traffic. Now we're in July and now we're getting 3,000 visits per month to this website. We're actually getting a lot more. This is inaccurate, but we're getting crazy amounts of traffic to this website. Now, another great way, guys, to go out and get some traffic as a bit of a boost in case you kind of don't really, to give you a boost at the start, is to go and use other free traffic options like question websites like Cura.com. People ask questions and you can go and give them advice and all that sort of stuff and link back to your content. And another one is YouTube is a great free traffic source. Go and do videos based on funnels, email marketing, and stuff like that. But the goal, guys, is to focus on the traffic, okay? The good thing about affiliate marketing is you're not focused on the product. It's not your product. Who cares, right? You don't need to worry about support or anything like that, right? With my course, I worry about support. I worry about the traffic. I worry about everything. With affiliate marketing, all you worry about is the traffic. That's it. You're laser focused on other people's products. So guys, what I do to make this $35,000 profit in 60 days, and I make it, I make quite a bit every single month. You can go and check out my other videos on that. But what I do is I go and create affiliate marketing blogs, promoting other people's products, and I get a commission. Now, if you do want to learn more about this, guys, I will leave some videos in the description and also up on the screen you can check out in a playlist because I can't fit it all in one video, but there's a playlist and a video up on the screen that'll take you through step-by-step how you can actually do this. And I'll also leave a link to my full affiliate marketing training that will take you through everything you need to know to start your own passive income affiliate marketing business online. Now don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, guys. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you on one of the videos on the right.